Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing by Ashna. Today we will be unboxing the BoxyCharm Luxe Starter Box for the month of December. The first item that we have is the Glitter and Gold Brush Set by LUXE. For $85, this set comes with 8 brushes in this durable and easy to clean red brush pouch. The brushes are all soft and are great for applying foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. Next, we have the C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette from Hip Dot. For $30, you get 15 colors with a combination of blues and golds and a mix of mattes and shimmers. For $85, the third item in this box is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment Serum by Sunday Riley. This serum targets wrinkles, dark spots, and fine lines. This serum is designed to reveal smoother and clearer skin. Lastly, we have the Pero Primero Primer from Alamar Cosmetics. This long-wear sticky primer is water-based and is designed to keep your eyeshadow in place. For only $15, this primer is water and wear resistant and also works as a glitter glue. That's all that came in the Luxe Starter Box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos. Bye-bye!